Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to be talking about jobs that can make you rich. There are a number of different jobs that can lead to financial success, but some of them are more lucrative than others. In this video, we'll discuss some of the highest paying jobs in the world, and we'll also talk about some of the factors that contribute to financial success. We'll also discuss some of the challenges of these jobs, and we'll offer some tips on how to get started in one of these high-paying professions. So let's dive right in. Remember to watch the entire video for an in-depth answer to this question. We also have several videos on the channel that we know you will surely enjoy, so watch them after watching this video. For everything else, see the description box below. The highest paying jobs in the world. When it comes to the highest paying jobs, certain industries stand out. Let's explore some of the most lucrative professions. Investment bankers play a vital role in helping companies raise capital. With six-figure salaries and the potential for even higher earnings, it's no wonder investment banking is a top choice. Software engineers are in high demand due to the rapid growth of technology. Their salaries reflect the demand for their skills, making it a lucrative career option. Data scientists are sought after by businesses aiming to make informed decisions based on data. With their ability to collect, analyze, and interpret data, data scientists command high salaries. Healthcare administrators are responsible for managing healthcare organizations. With the demand for quality healthcare, these professionals earn six-figure salaries and beyond. Lawyers, depending on their specialty and experience, can also earn high salaries. Representing clients in court and providing legal advice can be financially rewarding. Factors that contribute to financial success. Now that we've explored some of the highest paying jobs, let's discuss the factors that contribute to financial success. Education plays a crucial role in securing high-paying jobs. Many professions require a college degree as a minimum qualification. In addition to education, having the necessary skills and experience is essential. Employers look for candidates who can bring value to their organizations. Work ethic is vital for achieving financial success. Hard work, dedication, and a commitment to personal growth can open doors to greater opportunities. Networking is a powerful tool for job seekers. Building connections within your field can provide access to high-paying jobs and valuable mentorship. While luck isn't solely responsible for financial success, a stroke of luck or being in the right place at the right time can certainly play a role. Challenges of high-paying jobs. It's important to acknowledge that high-paying jobs come with their own set of challenges. Let's discuss a few. Long hours are often required in high-paying professions, which can impact your work-life balance and personal relationships. The pressure and responsibility that come with high-paying jobs can lead to increased stress levels. It's crucial to manage stress effectively for overall well-being. Competition for these jobs can be fierce. To stand out, you need to continuously improve your skills and find unique ways to differentiate yourself. Tips on getting started. If you're interested in pursuing a high-paying job, here are some tips to help you get started. First and foremost, focus on obtaining a college degree in your desired field. Education is often a prerequisite for many lucrative professions. Alongside education, develop your skills and gain relevant experience. This combination will make you a more attractive candidate to potential employers. Networking is key. Attend industry events, join professional organizations, and build connections. Networking can open doors to exciting opportunities. Be prepared to work hard and put in the necessary effort. High-paying jobs require dedication, perseverance, and a willingness to go the extra mile. Finally, don't give up. The path to success may not be linear, and setbacks are normal. Stay persistent, keep learning, and stay focused on your goals. In conclusion, there are numerous jobs that can make you rich, but they require dedication and hard work. With the right education, skills, and work ethic, you can achieve financial success in any field. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video informative. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below.